video, I'm going to be reviewing this WinBridge voice amplifier. It is called the S208 voice amplifier / digital player. You can use it as a Bluetooth speaker, you can use it as an amplifier, you can even put in various other media types to play through the speaker. So, with that being said, let's get into the video. WinBridge sent me this cool voice amplifier to review, the S208, as you can see and as I've said. So thank you, WinBridge, for sending me this to review. I appreciate it. Anyway, this is a voice amplifier and a Bluetooth speaker and a couple other things. So pretty cool. Let's take a look at the packaging. You have the look at it on the front. Fairly nice packaging design. It tells you what you can do with it, and it tells you who it's for, tells you how you can wear it, and there's a QR code and various details on the back. But let's actually open it up and see more about the product. So here is the headset. Like most headsets I reviewed, it's kind of cheap feeling. It's plasticky, it's flexible, but it's pretty plasticky and cheap feeling. This end is flexible, and the wire is just plastic. Let's actually try it on though. This over here moves to various positions, and when I was testing this out, I wasn't sure exactly how I was supposed to wear the headset, but I'm going to put it on like this for now. And it's not super comfortable. Right now it hits my bone. I might not be wearing it exactly right, but here's a basic idea. This is the mouthpiece. You'll want to speak directly into it and have it pretty close to your mouth. You can control the volume on the amp, so don't worry about that. You don't want to have too much wind noise from your mouth. So overall, this is cheap feeling, but we'll see how it sounds in a little bit. So next we have our amplifier. It's a pink one. I'm not a big fan of pink or rose gold, whatever you want to call this thing, but of course color is not the most important factor. Overall, looks and feel, I think it could look a little better. It's not bad, but I think it could look a little better in ways of design. The feel, it's plastic and fairly light, but not super cheap feeling, so that's good. It has a little display up here, and the speaker right here at the front. There's a clip on the back, and that will allow you to wear it on your pants and such. And here is basically advertising for WinBridge products, all the various options. Here we have various cables. This is your charging cable. I think it's a USB-C to USB Type A. Here's a 3.5mm jack to 3.5mm, an aux cord basically. You plug it into the side of this and to your phone. Here's what they call a waistband. You can attach it to your speaker / amp, and you can wear it around your neck and hang it on stuff, so that is a nice addition. There are these places where you insert in, one in each side. And here finally is the manual. This will tell you what you need to know, of course, and that will be very useful. So overall, we have all of our stuff out, so let's actually try out the sound quality of this, and we'll try out the mic as well. So like I said, you can play media through this in various ways. There's Bluetooth, there's the mic you can plug in, there is an aux input, and you can also play music through a USB drive. Of course, it's not included, but you can download your music files onto this disc or USB drive and plug it in right there, and it should switch to USB mode. So that is another nice feature. So I like the feature set of this: mic, Bluetooth, aux, and USB. So that is nice. You have a variety of options, and I appreciate that. Now to test sound quality. So we can do Bluetooth, but I'm just gonna plug this in for some copyright-free music. And you turn it on by turning this dial. And there's various controls at the top. You'll have to read up on them in the manual for better knowledge and understanding. But there's a recording button. We'll get to that later. And we turn it on. It says hi. You control the volume over here. It's volume, and it's off and on. So we'll plug in this USB drive, and it changes to USB, and it's already playing a song. You can use the controls to skip through your songs, and you can pause and play. So overall, pretty straightforward controls for the basics. For the more complicated stuff, you can look in here. So we've heard what it sounds like, and it sounds pretty good, to be honest. I've been impressed by that. Good job, guys, with that. I'm impressed by the sound quality. Let's take a listen for some more. This is the Hungarian Rhapsody. Obviously the quality of your track, the quality of the mic recording will affect the quality of this. So this is pretty much one directional. That's my only disappointment really with the sound. And it probably could have a little more bass, but this is a classical song and doesn't require as much bass, so also remember that. It's pretty much a personal preference as far as bass. But like I said, pretty good sound quality. I like that. Good job, guys. That was a classical song. Let's try another song for a different taste. So overall, good sound quality. I approve. I like it. And it's not bad for this device. I wish it wasn't just one directional. That'd be nice if it could have a more like a multi-directional type sound. But it might be nice if it was a little more bass, but it's kind of a personal preference. It depends on the song, sound quality and stuff as to how good something sounds. So multiple factors play into that. So like I was saying, there's a record button. So I was looking in the manual and it's supposed to be able to record to your thumb drive, and we shall try that out. I haven't had an amplifier that's done that I know of, so this should be cool to try out. So like on the front, it shows the mic is put in, and it will show various other information at times, what mode it's in, the timing of your recording, and possibly more. So right now the mic is plugged in. It doesn't amplify your voice in the USB mode unless the song is playing, so that's a little interesting. But anyway, let's try recording. And then we do that by pressing this R, and as you can see on the front, it shows a timer going by or a stopwatch. So now if we want to hear the record file, we have to long press this R button. And as you can see on the front, it shows a timer going by or a stopwatch. So that is the recording feature. That's what it sounds like. It's not the best quality of recording. I'm not impressed by that. Maybe I should have had this a little farther away or something, but not really impressed by the sound quality of the recording, but it's a cool feature that you can do it. Now for the final feature, let's actually just try using this as a voice amplifier. So we will unplug the USB drive and we will plug this in. You can actually use this as a karaoke machine. You can play music and sing through this mic, so that's a cool idea. A lot of people like doing that. It's a cool thing that they added that. But anyway, here is the amplifier. As you can hear for yourself, this is what it sounds like amplifying my voice. So we shall try hearing it a little bit for myself. Doesn't sound too bad. It's pretty good actually in my opinion. So overall, good amplifier. I appreciate this. Good job to the people at WinBridge. Good quality speaker / amplifier. The design could be a little better. It's just a personality thing, opinion, so not a big deal with that. The build quality could be a little bit better. It's not bad, but it definitely is a plastic experience. The quality of this needs to be improved though. Improve this, please. It's cheap feeling, cheaply made. Overall, the feature set, I like how you can play through a USB drive. I like how you can record through it. Not impressed by the sound quality of the recording, but so improve that. But I like the feature that you can record. It's nice that you can play through an aux. It's nice that you can play through Bluetooth, so good job to those avenues. I like the feature set of this device. The sound quality is also good. It sounds pretty good. Wish it was a little more multi-directional sounding, but overall not a bad sound quality.